Hello, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry mobility van. It's a 2018. And what it is, it's a manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps here keep the ramp from rattling. Got a handle on the driver's side and the passenger side. I'm going to lower it down using only my index finger. Very easy to operate. The ramp is 34 inches wide. It does taper down to 32 inches between where the ramp sets. It does have 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 up front, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good, has the rear air controls. And it's actually got an entertainment center in here. I was unaware of that. Learned something new today. So we got the entertainment center. Dash is in good shape. It's got the steering wheel control, so you can control the radio from the steering wheel and keep your eyes on the road. It's got the backup camera. You can sync your phone to this, so again, you can use your phone while driving, hands-free. Plenty of cup holders, dual climate control, rear air. So when you're done, come back out. When you've got everybody secure, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Lock it all back up. Shut her down, and you're ready to roll. So do a quick walk around. It's got the tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime, give you some privacy. The body on this van is very clean. I do see one small little scuff. We can probably put some silver paint over that and get that out of there, and at least cover it up, make it look nice. Overall though, the body's in very good condition. It's got 2 keys. One of them is keyless entry, so it does have the keyless entry as well. Overall, very clean van. These back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Super clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Got your VIN number right there. We always show you the VIN number. Very clean interior, very clean. Both seats are clean. Current miles 28,510. I go to start the van up. Starts up first time every time. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no dummy lights. There's your backup camera. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. No signs of any damage. No signs of any water damage. We check these vans over very closely before we buy them. Very clean. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. A little bit of surface rust down there, but nothing to be alarmed of. See the air conditioner dripping down there, that's just the AC. And I'm very particular about these vans. I buy from the same perspective you do. I don't want anything that's been in a bad accident. I don't want anything that's a salvage title. I don't want anything that's been pulled off the bottom of a river or something like that. I'm very meticulous with our vans. And that's the number one mistake people make when they're looking at vehicles, is they assume because the salesman was nice, or the pictures were good, or that it's low miles, they assume it's a good van. Folks, do your due diligence. People get taken advantage of every day on the internet. Don't be one of them. Wherever you're buying from, tell them to get out and make a detailed video like this for you. Pictures don't show you if the transmission's running well. They don't show you if a strong engine. They don't show all the problems that pictures can hide. Okay, so whoever you're buying from, if you're going to buy sight unseen on the internet, tell them to get out there, tell them to get off their behinds, tell them to make a video very detailed like this so you know exactly what you're getting. So let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. The final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, so you can feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you come in and drive this van home or you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, that we've made sure this van is roadworthy. It's up to 60-65 miles an hour, no problems. Runs nice and straight down the highway. Cruise control works just fine. And folks, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. First thing you need to do is ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Ratings matter, reviews matter. Check out our Google reviews. Look at all the nice things people had to say about us, how we treated them right, how we did them right. And there's a lot of companies out there that are pretty shady. You definitely want to be aware of them. and most importantly, not buy from them. We don't have any hidden fees. We give you not only free shipping, but we don't have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. There are some companies out there whose prices look similar to ours, but then you tack on their $500 fees or their $1,000 fees they don't tell you about. Then you got to pay shipping, and then when it comes down to it, we're $1,500 to $2,000 better deal than they are. But they try to hide things from you on the internet. My question to you is, why would you want to do business with somebody that's hiding things from you? So, steering wheel's nice and straight. No braking, no squealing, no unusual vibration when we're coming to a stop. It's overall a very clean van. No, it's not brand new, but it's very clean, been very well taken care of, has not been abused. If you ever want to come see one of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I don't want to miss you. I know your time is valuable. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. And that's why we get out and we make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. Something the competition they also don't do. Very important to see these videos. And as the owner of the company, I'm out here rolling on the ground when it's 100 degrees out. Not because I like to do this. Not because I like to be on the ground when it's this hot, but because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Which brings me to my next point. I am not a used car salesman. I'm not a big fan of used car salesmen, I'll just be honest. You're doing business with the owner. That's me. When you call, you get to talk to the owner of the company. Most of these used car salesmen, they're not even going to be working at that location in a month or two. They'll find the next job. They're going to go chase that commission. So deal with the owner, not a used car salesman. One big advantage you have when you buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions. We do have financing available. Check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. We had a tire that was leaking. We're going to replace that tire. So just so you know, we're going to get that little light there turned out. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.